In this video, I will show with you step by step how to log in Desjardins online banking. So guys, go to Google, search for Desjardins and then click on the first website here. After that, click on sign in option. From this sign in option, as you can see here, you will see this page. You have the content. Write your identity number, your identity, and then write your password. This is, for example, my password. If you forget password, just click forget your password at this option. And then you can write your identity to get your password again or to set up your new password. If you want to log in your app, just download the app, this Desjardins app. You can download through App Store or Play Store. After download this app on App Store or Play Store, you can use and you can log in successfully without any problem. Just follow these simple steps. So guys, I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video. Just go log in here and then click a login option. Thanks for watching this video, guys.